Friends, good evening. Happy Mother's Day to all mummy, masi, chachi, bua, dadi, nani, or in whatever form you are giving love to anyone. That is the feeling of Mother's Day for me today. Like just before 1 year, my baby, he used to communicate with me by crying or some hand movements. So now he started calling me mama. So happy Mother's Day to me also. So today, actually, when I thought of sharing something related to Mother's Day, there are so many thoughts coming into my mind. I'll say what makes a perfect mother, or the strong side of a mother, or the funny side of a mother, or emotionally strong or emotionally weak mothers, or the lovable mother, the friendly mothers. There are so many aspects of mother in one role. So that's why I thought, okay, there is no preparation today for live session. So I wish to share my feelings being in a journey. Most of the time we have seen like wishing everyone happy Mother's Day to our mother, and that feeling is something very special which a mother really can connect with. And what makes a mother having that feeling? Truly the baby. So as I have shared some of my stories, how having some list of miscarriages and then having a baby. So during those periods also, when I was having miscarriages, I used to write my feelings over a small sheet and have keeping in inside my wallet every day. Whenever I was feeling low, I'll open any random sheet and I'll read it. It will make my day. So like that was actually giving me power also. So after becoming a mother, um, I can see like it had changed me a lot. What I was thinking about my mother or my mother-in-law, we just see them every day. They are very active. We never seen our mothers taking any break or any rest, isn't it? They are so much active in our regular life, like सुबह से पढ़ाई तक, रात का खाना, सोना, everything they manage very well. And we used to think, okay, it's a mother's job, but and they do things, it looks like very easy to everyone. But after getting into that role, initially it was, yes, truly a struggle period, like feeding your baby in every 2 hour, and like cleaning all the things and everything, starting from taking care. And we're not trained mothers, like, right? The things started happening automatically. We'll do this, next that, then the feeding, then after 6 months they'll start eating solids. So it changed. Not having lots of patience in our previous version, then after becoming mother, somehow we learn to have patience with our babies. We try every new thing, new dish. Okay, he's not eating this one, let's try that one. So that's what our mothers are also doing every day. And the connection which we feel with our mother, the same connection we feel with our baby also. They make all the imperfections to a perfect mother. Within all the imperfection, we may feel tired, we may be busy in some work, everything, but when you see your baby smiling at you, the spark comes in our life. So that is the feeling of motherhood. And the power, if I say, like I got to see my baby when he was 7th day. Yeah, after his birth, immediately he was taken to NICU, and I was in a different hospital, he was at a different place. And on 7th day when I reached, I could not dare to touch him also, because doctors has warned me not to infect him in any way. But slowly I started touching him, and that is the power of mother. And that the change, yes, we can feel being a mother is a all different level. And during those failure stage, when I was having miscarriages, I was thinking about those women who really don't have any clue why they are going through such depression or any anxiety, all those things. So that things were there in my mind to help that women community some way, because yes, I was able to handle myself, but it is not easy as it looked from outside. So we need someone to help during those days. We need someone to talk at least what we are going through. Yes, I was lucky to have friend like my friend Alka is there watching live. Hi Alka. Hi Smarajit Bhaiya. So like I was having friends with me, and they supported me very well. So I started this initiative, Pregnancy Simplified, with that wish only, to be there with all the women who need any kind of help at any time, like starting from pregnancy preparation to the delivery, or I may be able to support after that also. So that's what as this live session, I have not planned anything. Like the think of imperfection mother, like people say you are not doing this correctly, you are not doing this correctly, but a mother know that she is giving her best to do everything at a perfect level. So every mother is unique in their own way. So again, I wish a happy Mother's Day to all the mummies. But at the same time, like we take our mummies very casually, like yes, mummy is there, खाना बनाएगी, ये करेगी, वो करेगी, सब ready कर देगी. But it is true, like they also wish to listen something from us, or just a simple hug also will work for them. So try saying your mom happy Mother's Day, or give her a hug. And that's all. Thank you. Thanks everyone for watching.